This is our newly developed GSM alarm system, G90, with home automation feature. First, let me show you how to learn alarm sensor.
Please enter password. Please enter instruction.
Learning door sensor.
Detector coding. Coding completed.
Learning PIR motion sensor.
Detector coding. Coding completed.
Now I show you how to learn remote controller.
Remote control coding. Coding completed. Remote control coding. Coding completed. Remote control coding. Please enter instruction.
After learning all the alarm sensor, let me show you how to set phone number.
Please enter password. Please enter instruction. Setting completed.
Now, let me show you trigger the alarm sensor. Arm the system. In this period, alarm host will give a delay time for arming. In this period, you can leave your house. The delay time for arming can be set by user.
System armed.
Trigger the alarm sensor. Alarming call will come.
System disarmed.
Now I disarm the system. This is the simple alarm process. Hope it will help you to know more about our G90.